Where did my money go? Do you ever receive your money, feel like you have enough, and then suddenly, gone? You're not alone. Sometimes it's not because you don't earn enough. It's because your money is disappearing through habits you may not even notice. Here are 5 things you need to change. Small, daily spending. Number 1. Small daily spending. Buying snacks, drinks, food, or other little things may not feel like a big expense. They can become a lot of money. But when you add them together at the end of the month, start paying attention to the small things. No spending plan. Number 2. Spending without a plan. If you don't decide what your money should do before you spend it, it becomes very easy to spend it on whatever comes up. Before you receive your next income, decide how much will go to your needs, savings, and other expenses. Impulse buying. Number 3. Buying things immediately because you want them. Before buying something that isn't necessary, give yourself some time to think. You may discover that you don't actually need it. Touching your savings. Number 4. Treating your savings like extra spending money. If you keep taking money from your savings every time you want something, it becomes difficult to build financial security. Try to separate your savings from your everyday spending money, not checking your expenses. And number 5. Not checking where your money goes. You don't have to be perfect with money, but you should know what you are spending it on. Take a few minutes each week to check your transactions and see where your money is going. Where is your money going? If your money always seems to disappear, don't just ask yourself, how can I earn more? Also ask yourself, where is my money going? Small changes in the way you manage your money can make a big difference over time. Which one of these habits do you need to change? Comment below and subscribe to NairaNest for more simple money tips. If this helped you, subscribe to NairaNest for more practical finance tips.